Almost all psoriasis patients have this problem that after recovering from psoriasis, it comes back or relapses again after some time. But why this happen? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi from Dr. Health. Today I'll tell you why psoriasis relapses after being cured and how you can prevent it and make your life psoriasis free. As many of you know, psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition in which there is development of inflamed scaly patches on the skin. So first of all, you need to understand that all problems related to relapsing of psoriasis are linked to the type of treatment you are taking to heal from your psoriasis. If you are taking steroids, then you need to understand that this is not the first line of treatment. Psoriasis patients who have been given steroidal medicines or ointments always complain that after they stop taking their treatment or even taking a break from it, their psoriasis gets aggravated quickly and sometimes gets even worse. Another reason for psoriasis relapsing could possibly be due to misdiagnosis, because when you go to your nearby doctor, sometimes doctors might misdiagnose psoriasis, taking it, for example, taking it like a lichen planus, fungal infection or some other skin disorder. That is why there are problems started getting elevated. Because due to possible misdiagnosis, they prescribe antifungal medicine, steroid and immune suppressors, and we do not have any other options available at that time. So we take those medicines. Thus, as a result, psoriasis keeps coming back again and again. One must understand that psoriasis is a disorder that is linked to weak immunity, in which the body becomes hostile against itself. The weakened immunity creates uncontrollable autoimmune reactions, resulting in rapid multiplication of skin cells. As this happens, there are buildup of thick patches on the skin, most commonly on face, arms, backs or legs. The scale becomes flaky and dry, creating an itching and burning sensation. Therefore, to control psoriasis from spreading and from relapsing, we need to work on the internal cause that aggravate the psoriasis. That means you need to stay away from the triggers that can increase your psoriasis. So first thing is your treatment. The type of treatment you take to heal from psoriasis decides if your psoriasis will relapse again or not. Taking the type of treatment is your choice, whether you're choosing steroidal treatment, Ayurvedic, homeopathy or naturopathy treatment. But keep in mind that steroids and other immune suppressors medications are temporarily treatments for your psoriasis. Well, there is no harm in the treatment. You can take it as long as your doctor is recommending, and as long as your liver and kidney are not affected, there is no problem. However, after taking these treatments for a long time, they disrupt the immune system of your body and psoriasis increases by 2-3 times and it relapses with aggravation. In some cases, it can become erythrodermic psoriasis also. So what you can do is give a chance to alternate treatments, like you can choose homeopathy, Ayurvedic or naturopathy that actually help balancing your immune system from inside, and when your immune become healthy, psoriasis will not relapse even after stopping the treatment. You can completely finish psoriasis and get your psoriasis free life back with natural treatments. Next is psoriasis relapses when you become careless. After getting healed from psoriasis, you start thinking that now you can go back to your earlier lifestyle and start unhealthy eating again, and you start drinking alcohol, consuming red meat, etc., not doing exercise, just the same unhealthy routine as earlier. And this is very wrong. Even if your psoriasis is healed, no matters if it is healed from your treatment or someone else, even after psoriasis is cured, you have to be very careful about your lifestyle and diet. Follow what your doctor advises you to do. Do not quit it until or unless your doctor tells you to do so. Because every doctor invests a lot of effort in healing their patients, and then due to your own carelessness, psoriasis relapses again. Keep in mind that you should always eat more protein, home cooked meal and take the right treatment. Ayurvedic, homeopathic or naturopathy, that is your choice. Both dietary modifications and these treatments, when combined together, prevent recurrence of the psoriasis and help eliminate the psoriasis from your life for forever. So it is important that you do not take animal protein, do not take non-veg or do not take alcohol or eat junk food or processed food. Do not eat more carbs, eat more protein food and eat homemade food. Only then you will be able to finish your psoriasis forever. Now, what do you have to do with your lifestyle? You should exercise daily, which will reduce your stress, keep you mentally stable and releases toxins from your body in the form of sweat and keep your body clean from the inside. Then when you exercise daily, your mind also feels light, stress remains very little, and your psoriasis will not come back again and again. Also, I recommend drinking bitter gourd and neem juice after waking up in the morning as your empty stomach's morning drink. Both of these are rich in antioxidants and have antibacterial properties that can manage psoriasis from the inside of your body. I also know that it is a bit difficult to drink both of these juices after waking up in the morning because they are very bitter. But if you take it like medicine, you'll get a lot of relief in your body as well as in your psoriasis. And try to drink it in the morning on an empty stomach so that all the toxins in your body will be flushed out from your body. Drink these juices for about 30 days and share your experience with us in the comment box below, how they benefited your psoriasis and your overall health. So that is all for today's video. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment box or by calling the number mentioned in the video and get on the right track. Let us work together to find the best treatment plan for you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.